So over here you can see that I have a certain calendar view. So let's say I want to save out this view. In that case, I can go around onto save views and then I can click on save current view and name it out. Let's say for example, TutorTube view right here, just like this, and click on save. Once I do that, this particular view is saved. And if I were to go to work week or day, like let's say for example, and I want to get back to that view, then I can go around onto save view and click over here, and then I get back onto that particular view again, as you can see. You can also go around and open up the view right from over here, or you can edit the name. So let's say for example, I can just go around and change it out to TutorTube right here, or I can go around and delete this out as well. Let's say for example, I go to work week right here or day as well. Now I can go around and save the current view again. So let's say for example, I save it out as day view. Now if I were to go to month and go back to, let's say for example, day view, then it goes back over here, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize saved views inside of Microsoft Outlook's calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.